accurate documentation in the clinical forms. So kung ano ho yung isusulat nyo sa clinical form, sana naman accurate. Okay? Yung hindi ka na pagdudahan. Yung hindi mo na sila pahirapan. So, to proceed, for example, chief complaint. The chief complaint, sana, it must be concise, okay? It must be a concise statement of the patient, okay, describing ho yung kanyang complaint or yung symptom. Ganon yun, di ba? So, sana po, yung chief complaint na isusulat ninyo, okay, must be compelling or sana near toxic. I'm not saying you need to make something up. Kasi nga, Doc Ben, yung chief complaint, verbalize naman ng pasyente. Yes, that's true. Okay? Para medyo confident ho kayo pag submit nyo ng claim, yung chief complaint, make sure that you can elicit it from the patient. Yung something that's compelling. Something that's near toxic. Okay? Because if you do that, if it's compelling or near toxic or something near to it, ibig sabihin ho, yung problema ng pasyente, okay, is aligned to admissibility. Na kaya nandyan yan kasi kailangan yung i-admit. So yan ho kasi ang hinahanap ni PhilHealth. The reason bakit nyo inadmit yung patient. As much as possible ho, ipakita na ninyo. Okay? Sa umpisa pa lang. Kasi yan yung unang tinitingnan nila, yung chief complaint. Okay? So, you need now to make a very, very good chief complaint na makita ni PhilHealth. Okay? So that it can easily be seen na this patient is admissible. Okay?